Good morning, student. As we all know, we are done with the history. So today we will be starting with geography. And the topic for today is Earth as a planet. We all know that Earth is further divided into hydrosphere, lithosphere, biosphere and atmosphere. Atmosphere is further divided into troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, exosphere. And hydrosphere is divided into ocean, sea, lakes. And Earth is divided into crust, mantle, core. Okay, and there is 71% of water and other 29% of island. 78% of nitrogen, 21% oxygen and 0.29% is other gases which are present in atmosphere. So let's start with the first let's start with the shape of the earth. As we all know, the shape of the earth is spherical in shape. Earlier there was an experiment which was done, and in that experiment it was proven that the shape of earth is spherical. First experiment was done on the sighting of a ship. For example, whenever we standing at the seashore, and then onwards if we start watching an ship approaching towards it, the first thing that we'll see is the mast of the ship. Second thing that we'll see is the deck. Third thing that we'll see is the funnel, and fourth is the hull. Okay, the more close as the ship will come closer to us, this will be the synchronized order of the things that we'll see. First is mast, then second is deck, third is funnel, and fourth is hull. And there was an experiment which was done by Bedford-Level experiment. He said that first he did the experiment on the flat surface. For example, this is a flat surface, and if we take 3 poles, for example, these are the poles. And for example, these are the 3 poles. Okay, they having the same height. And for example, if we are standing here, and from here if we watch, all 3 will look in a perfect synchronized order. These 3 will look in a perfect synchronized order. Okay, if we have the flat surface of the earth. But that is not possible. We can't see the things in a same way, just because earth is not a flat, it is a spherical in shape. That's the only reason. The first thing that we see in shape is the mast of the ship. Earth is spherical. For example, let us take this. It's not the perfect surface, but it's just for an example I'm showing it to you. Okay, so earth is not spherical. We always see the center portion is always a little bit higher as compared to the side portions. And if we watch from this any corner, be it from this side or that side, the first thing that we'll see is the middle portion of this, and then we'll see this portion and that portion, just because this will be slightly higher than that of this portion and this portion. This experiment was given by the Bedford-Level. This experiment is known as Bedford-Level experiment. Okay. This experiment is known as Bedford-Level experiment. For example, if the shape is different, then we can see the different view from the different location. And especially if it's a spherical shape, then we see the first thing which is in mid is slightly higher as compared to the other 2. Whereas in flat surface, all the 3 locations and all the 3 poles that we have taken in consideration will always look similar. This is if we have kept the things on flat surface, and if we have kept the things on spherical surface. So this was the experiment for today. Hope you will like it, and in case of any query or doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.